I've set the boring machine on the timber that I've moved down to the ponies so that my feet are on the ground and I'm in a comfortable position to bore the holes. I always start boring holes, I bore the end hole first. That way if I bore this middle hole or the other hole first and this one wandered offline, it might go outside of my mortise area, which I wouldn't want it to do. And it looks like I've stripped my threads already, which sometimes happens, and it can be a challenge to get the boring machine to restart. And it's not cutting any wood, so I'm going to have to get a little creative, as I have before, to get some down pressure. This is a little added extra bonus for you who work alone with a boring machine. Boy, it's really stripped. What's going on? I didn't think there was any knots there. Caused the bit to get stripped. Try again. A little more down pressure. You could see earlier when I pressed down, it lifted the boring machine up, which is a problem. There, she's cutting now. Now she's cutting. As I said, sometimes you have to get a little creative when working alone. When you have a second person working with you and you strip out your boring machine, you can take the piece and push it on like this and have the second person push down while you turn with both hands on the handles. And I can see that I've forgotten my depth stop, so I'll need to stop, get my depth stop, install it, and do this hole. I'll do the second hole. I'll flip the timber, do both holes on the other side. And it's the same procedure as I did before, and I don't think there's any need to show it on camera. So that's what I'm going to do. And we'll pick up with the timber back on the tall horses, ready to make the saw cuts in the next video.